This is Japan Vlog Service.
Hi YouTube, Mikey Beckett here, just to check in. Hopefully this time the sound will be a bit better. There's too many cars. Huntley is such a small place, and it's so you only need a couple on the road. It gets really loud very easily. And yesterday's video wasn't quite audible rather. But it's snowing. I just tried to film it, there wasn't that many flakes. Maybe there is now. Hang on a second. So yeah, just me checking in. It's what day is it today? It's Tuesday the 3rd. Yeah, it must be the 3rd. As I understand, it's Hinamatsuri today in Japan, the Dole Festival. So hope if you have a holiday, hope you're having a good one. And speak to you tomorrow. Tomorrow's my last day in Scotland. I'm back to England for another week, and then back to Japan. So see you. Bye.